Pakistan's government has delivered a strong and direct warning to major social media platforms, with X, formerly Twitter, at the center of concern, demanding swift and decisive action against accounts linked to militant organizations. Authorities say such accounts are not merely spreading misinformation but actively promoting extremist narratives, recruiting vulnerable individuals, and amplifying the activities of banned outfits. Officials argue that the unchecked presence of these networks online is enabling the circulation of hate-filled content that threatens national security, fuels radicalization, and supports groups already responsible for violent attacks in the country. The government has cautioned that if platforms fail to act promptly, they could face legal, regulatory, or operational consequences as Pakistan moves to tighten oversight of the digital landscape. At a press briefing, Deputy Interior Minister Talal Chaudhry revealed that dozens of accounts on X are allegedly operating from outside Pakistan, including neighboring Afghanistan and India, spreading violent content and aiding outlawed groups such as the Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan and the Baloch Liberation Army. Pakistan has faced increased violence in recent months, much of it claimed by these very militant organizations. Officials argue that social media has become a key tool in spreading extremist propaganda, a trend they say is undermining national security. Chaudhry emphasized that platforms like WhatsApp, YouTube, Telegram, and Facebook have cooperated to some extent in identifying and taking down harmful accounts. However, he said cooperation from X has been more limited. Pakistan is urging global social media firms to step up efforts to identify and remove extremist and hate-filled accounts, open local offices to improve coordination, use advanced technology, including artificial intelligence, to detect mirror and duplicate accounts that promote violence or terror narratives. While no legal action has yet been taken against X, Pakistan's Deputy Law Minister, Akhil Malik, indicated that the government is prepared to look at tools used in other countries, for example, Brazil, where courts have fined social media companies for non-compliance with local laws. Pakistan has already banned platforms temporarily in the past when authorities felt they were not removing objectionable or anti-state content. A controversial new law passed earlier this year also expands the government's powers to regulate online content and holds users responsible for what is shared.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.